There is a special place in the south of Thailand that has been magically carved out of rock layers over time. Situated on a seashore against a backdrop of limestone mountains, this place is cherished and cared for by the local residents. This is the Satoon Global Geopark. After being submerged under the sea for more than 500 million years and accumulating an extensive amount of prehistoric fossils, this natural wonder serves as a crucial resource for researchers today, bridging the gap between the modern world and the Paleozoic era. In Satoon province, where the geopark is located, fossils from all 6 periods of the Paleozoic era have been discovered. These include indexed fossils like trilobites, brachiopods, and nautiloids, with the most notable being trilobite fossils found on Parutao Island, which belong to the Cambrian period and have been confirmed as the oldest known fossils on the Thai Malay Peninsula. Over 60 scientific studies and projects have been conducted within the Satoon Global Geopark, such as studies of Parutao Island's 10 newly discovered species of trilobites, 3 new species of snails, and the Patumma Tinpai, a new strain of Siam tulip native to the south. Other developments include the enhancement of local products to add value to tourism, promotion of low-carbon tourism to cope with the effects of global warming and climate change, protection of biodiversity at the Ho Si Lang or Four Towers Dunes area through the implementation of sustainable tourism guidelines, and the integration of local folklore into local product development. The Geopark also became the destination for the 6th International Paleontological Congress or IPC6 excursion on the Paleozoic era. Due to a unique karst topography, Satoon province teems with limestone mountains, caverns, waterfalls, groundwater systems, and islands. So this is not just rocks, but a continuously diverse mountain to Andaman Sea ecosystem, creating a harmonious habitat for plants, animals, and humans. Some of the outstanding research projects of the Satoon Global Geopark are the study of cave ecosystems in collaboration with the International Research Center on Karst, or IRCK, and the production of manuals for local tour guides to help them provide tourists with accurate and valuable scientific information. Here, the fascination doesn't only occur in the rock layers, but can also be perceived in the enormous diversity of people with different ethnic and religious backgrounds. Buddhists, Christians, Muslims, and indigenous people like the forest-dwelling Mani tribe and the island-dwelling Sea Gypsy Uraklawoi tribe coexist peacefully with understanding and respect for one another, as shown in the documentary about the Mani indigenous, which helps outsiders better understand their way of life. The Satoon Global Geopark is more than just a tourist attraction or a conservation site. It is a natural classroom for the next generations to learn about the resources of their hometown. The Geopark is expanding its network of schools as part of its educational development endeavor and has designated Kampang Witya School as the model for its geopark-oriented curriculum. Students are taught to be effective tour guides with knowledge of geology, paleontology, and biology, to realize that every rock layer and every fossil is a precious treasure to be preserved by local people by passing on knowledge from generation to generation. In partnership with King Mongkut's University of Technology Thonburi, the Satoon Global Geopark also oversees the Geo-Learning Ecology Project, which disseminates geoscience and geocultural knowledge through the TikTok application, online games, board games, and geocamp activities. The expanse of the Satoon Global Geopark covers geological, archaeological, natural, and cultural heritage sites, all of which hold significant values and receive Thai legal protections under the joint supervision of many relevant agencies. An example of such protections is the registration of the Khao Noi and Ao Mo Lat fossil protection sites under the Fossil Protection Act 2008. The Satoon Global Geopark Committee manages all aspects of the geopark's operations, The provincial governor chairs the committee, which oversees policy making, budgeting, and coordination among the government, academic, civilian, and community sectors. Cooperation with 16 local agencies has resulted in the successful implementation of many policies. One of which is the inclusion of the geopark policy in the 20-year National Development Plan, providing the geopark with continuous budget and research funding from both the public and private sectors, in accordance with the Sustainable Development Plan indicators, which are also consistent with the global geopark standards. As part of its operations, the geopark has established a tourist information center to educate visitors about the Mani people in the area of Wang Sai Thong Waterfall in Khao Ban That Wildlife Sanctuary. The Satun Geopark Museum has been renovated, while the interpretive signs in the geological sites have been improved, and the floating platforms have been installed throughout Mukok Hitra National Park for tourist safety. Local students in disaster-prone areas have received training to enhance their disaster preparedness, along with lessons on carbon credits. Moreover, the Satun Global Geopark has participated in numerous activities on the Global Geoparks network, both domestic and international. The Satun Global Geopark coordinates research agencies throughout Thailand to conduct studies across various dimensions that promote job creation, generate income for the local community, and reduce the migration of younger generations. Some of its successful initiatives are the development of 9 nature study trails, the production of knowledge materials such as handbooks and media for public dissemination, and a workshop for local youth and tour guides to convey information based on academic evidence. According to Kasetsat University's statistical data collection on the sustainable development of geosites, geoheritage, and geoparks from 2015 to 2022, the value of economic benefits from geoparks increased by more than 41 million baht during this time period. Today, young workers who left the geopark for employment in big cities are confident and proud of their region and return home with a passion for creating sustainable development in their locality. Together with their elders, they set out to create jobs, generate income, foster a circular economy in the community, and enhance the quality of life right where they belong.